HNB Engineers Private Limited is a leading EPC contractor engaged in wastewater treatment technology. Started on a small scale by Mr. H.N. Bhatt in 1973, the organization has now grown as major player in wastewater treatment works. Since 1984, the organization has concentrated on wastewater treatment technology and now has 25 years experience in the field of wastewater treatment and engineering. During this period of 25 years, the organization has successfully constructed more than 50 sewage treatment plants of diverse magnitude for a wide range of clients. The rich and valuable experience accumulated by the organization's core team over the years has enabled introduction of numerous specialty technologies considering the constraints of flow, electricity and space. While executing these diverse projects, the organization has successfully handled different treatment processes such as extended aeration, activated sludge process, carousel aeration process, biotower technology, that is attached growth process, sequential batch reactor process, package treatment plant, etc. The presentation which you are now viewing is of a wastewater treatment plant based on biotower technology. This is cutting-edge technology in wastewater treatment improved by HNB Engineers Private Limited, giving careful consideration and proper weightage to the constraints of universal shortage of land, power and skilled manpower to operate the plant. This will be a patented technology of the organization. An application for patent for biotower technique is in process. Your screen now shows various units which are integral part of the process of sewage treatment irrespective of the technology adopted along with a patented unit of biotower. The individual units are transformer yard, raw sewage sump and pump house, administrative building, primary unit, biotower, recirculation sump, pump house and blower room, aeration tank, chlorination room, sludge thickener, secondary clarifier. The schematic representation and sequence of treatment includes receipt of raw sewage to sump, removal of floating material in coarse screen chamber above 20 mm size, removal of floating material in fine screen chamber above 6 mm size, removal of inorganic matter of specific gravity greater than 2.65 mm and particle size more than 0.15 mm in grit removal tank, biological treatment in biotower, aeration tank, secondary clarifiers and chlorine contact tank. The excellent quality of water discharge at outlet enables the same to be used for gardening, industrial purpose, cooling tower, air conditioning, car washing or any other purpose than human consumption. Raw sewage after entering pumping station and primary units. The floating material is removed by coarse and fine screens and settleable inorganic material is removed at grit chamber before entering the biotower. From primary unit, sewage will now flow to splitter box and then to center of biotower through center shaft. Sewage is spread on the top surface of media uniformly by rotating arms. Rotational force for the mechanism is provided by water head and subsequent jet action of nozzles on trailing side of arms. Sewage will trickle through plastic media of required depth as per design. On surface of biological mass grows which contains microorganisms and organic matter. The media is properly ventilated to avail required oxygen for oxidation. Biomass or slime layer is formed over the surface of media. Consists of microorganisms which feed on organic waste. As liquid passes over the surface of biomass, the bacteria feed on and digests waste. After passing through media, the flow drains at bottom of biotower. Some of flow is recirculated back to biotower to maintain constant wetting rate. About 50% to 70% BOD is removed in this process by natural aeration. The flow from biotower is transferred to solid contact basin, that is aeration tank. The mixed liquor, that is liquid solid mixture, is stabilized by providing air at bottom through air diffusers. The aerated mixed liquor is passed to secondary clarifier. Solid gets separated from liquid by gravity sedimentation and settled sludge is drawn from bottom and sent to thickener for thickening. About 1% to 1.5% consistency is observed of the sludge. Finally, Sludge is sent for disposal after mechanical dewatering by centrifuge to dumping yard. Treated supernatant water is disposed to nearby water stream after disinfecting with chlorine gas. Highlights of the project are excellent outlet quality, small footprint, compact design, lowest power consumption than any other method of treatment, having guaranteed output as above. Require less space as compared to the other conventional plants. No skilled manpower is required. Sludge generation rate is very low and minimum manpower for operation and maintenance.